In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change pen pressure in Krita. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly enable the pen pressure setting in Krita and make sure that it works for any brush that you use. So first, you will have to make sure that you have the option to enable it. To do this, go into the settings and then choose Configure Toolbars. When you select Configure Toolbars, you can see the toolbars that you have on your main toolbar in Krita, and you will be able to search for pressure. As you can see, you have to add this icon to the toolbar. Whenever this option is enabled, you will be able to use the pressure function when making illustrations. So if it is not already added into the toolbar, make sure that you search for pressure, you choose it from the list, and then you drag it to the other side using these functions here. Once it is added into the main toolbar, make sure that it is selected and good to go. Now, to configure the pen pressure for individual brushes, pens, and tools, all that you have to do is go over to the settings of a specific brush, and in here under General, make sure that you tick the option to manage the size, and the first option should be pressure. Of course, you can configure various other additional settings, but this is the focus of this video. As long as the pressure option is ticked on, you will now see the usual graph that allows you to manage the pen pressure here. For this video, I'm not going to go into too much detail about what you can achieve depending on how you set this graph. I highly recommend that you look into recommendations from other illustrators depending on the effect that you want, but basically you can manage this curve to achieve different effects while drawing, and everything can be controlled here, or you can change the individual values across low to high. Everything will be saved to this brush, and you can make new brush presets with different pen pressure settings. I hope I was able to help you on how to change pen pressure in Krita. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.